Hey guys, Mubarak here of In Penny Stock. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to do a video on a question that I get a lot in the emails and through social media, and that's specifically about how much should I invest in my portfolio per trade. All right, so you have maybe $5,000 in your account or even $2,000, and you see a trade you want to get into. The question is, how much money should you invest, right? What amount of your portfolio, say it's in the scenario, so $2,000, how much should you put into the trade? And what I recommend doing is that at this point, what you should look for is a minimum of about $500. Okay, that's been my general recommendation. You can improve it as you get more comfortable trading, as you become more successful, and you see that, okay, I've been profitable in the last 2, 3, 4 trades I've done. I feel like I understand this a little better and I'm more confident. But when you're first starting trading, right, it can be a little bit difficult and a little bit of a mind game when you're first starting. All right, you're putting your hard-earned money on the line for a stock that, yes, you did some research, but penny stocks in general, there's certain risk associated with it. And so it definitely is smart to make sure that when you're first putting in that money, that you're okay with putting in a certain portfolio amount. So again, 2000, I would say 25% of that, which comes out to $500. That is a good amount to start with. That's a good amount that I would recommend doing per trade. So when you see a good trade, you see the double catalyst rule kick in, or something that interests you and you know that you're going to make profit off of it, whether you're going long or short, I'd recommend putting in about 25%. Now, as your account grows, right, once you're at 10,000, I would recommend scaling that number back a bit. $1,000 trades are good, $1,500 trades are good, but then you should maybe kind of level off around 2,000 until, of course, by the time you feel more confident putting in more money, you probably won't even need this general guideline. But a lot of beginners and a lot of people who are first getting started trading, maybe you just went through a couple of my videos, maybe you're just starting to invest now and you haven't really learned much about the stock market, I would recommend that number. And of course, number one key before you actually start is please start virtual trading. All right, there's many platforms out there, but one of the most recommended ones is SureTrader. All you have to go to is SureTrader.com, and they have a free demo that allows you to automatically start virtual trading. So they set up the real market scenario. You have a real trading platform, and all you have to do pretty much is play with fake money, and you can use that to invest, and you can use that to really see how your skills are, test out different theories, try different trading strategies. If you have some kind of strategy or some belief or some hypotheses that you're developing or a watch list that you've been creating over time, you can really test out those purchases and that kind of style through that platform. So I would recommend, before you start putting in real money, utilize a virtual trading platform. And over at In Penny Stock, we are going to have one very soon that will allow you to be able to control your trades and allow you to practice with our strategy. So I hope you'll enjoy that. But again, I hope that helps. So again, start off with a minimum of $500 and about 25% of your portfolio max. I wouldn't go higher than that. You don't want to, even if you see a really good trade, I would still, don't be greedy. You don't want to burn your account. A lot of people, that's how they lose their interest in the stock market or lose a lot of money, is because they put their entire amount of savings or portfolio in the trade, and that's just, that's not proper risk management. You're obviously going to be in the negative if you end up doing something like that, because as smart as we are in penny stock and the strategies that we provide you, it's still just about the economics behind the stock market, buying and selling, right? Supply and demand. So even a lot of times the market is not super rational, and it just acts on its own accord based off of different hype, based off of different schemes. So again, to minimize your risk and maximize your profits, we recommend utilizing a minimum of $500, but a maximum of 25% of your portfolio per trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me at admin, ADMIN, at inpennystock.com. Also, if you want to get started trading today, we actually have a very great web series where I teach you guys step by step how to trade stocks through a video module tutorial step by step. So to access that, all I need you to do is text the word stocks, STOCKS, to the number 44222, and that'll automatically opt you in to be able to receive those video series. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.